Hello and good morning everyone, welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the trading week is coming to an end for the traditional markets, but Bitcoin never stopped, so we are starting off with the Bitcoin chart of course. Currently you can see Bitcoin is back at this key resistance or the block level that I was talking about ever since we were trading right here. From the beginning of July, right now it is the beginning of August and Bitcoin is pushing yet again at this level. And you know how it goes, the more times a level gets tested, the more likely it becomes to break. Right now what is stopping us is a flip of that 50 daily EMA right here. It has been acting as resistance, and once we got a fake out above it and then price, you can see, drop down below it, and right now it is getting tested yet again as a very key resistance. Now the different thing right now is with this test that the stock market started pushing higher and overall things are looking more bullish. The dollar is down, back down below this key resistance into support flip. So what this means is that this level right here was a very key resistance. We flipped this level into support and right now we actually lost this level once again and it is flipped back into resistance. So this is right here the difference that we are looking at right now that could potentially send Bitcoin higher. We do have right here on my other chart, you can see some more targets. We do have that fair value gap back at the highs above $70,000, so basically above 70 all the way up to $76,000 is the potential next level. We could get from the bottom right here, Bitcoin is already up like 14% and up there that's gonna be like a 32% of a move. Last time from the bottom we moved up like 38%, so another 30% could very well be possible. Potentially Ethereum also looking for a breakout to this level right here, to the value area high, which is sitting at around 2230. Solana is right now still struggling, but once Solana reclaims those levels, I believe Solana could go all the way up to $92. That would mean quite a big move, like 24%, since Solana is very well up like 22% from the bottom right now, 40% to this high that we made. We could get very well another big move. You can see Solana is looking absolutely horrible on the monthly time frame. We have not seen a green monthly candle on Solana. Basically even July closed red, and last time you can see right here the past 2 years, 1st of July 2024 we got a bullish candle close right here, and then back at the previous July from 2023 also a bullish candle green, and back in 2022 also a bullish candle in the green. So this time is different. As you can see, we have closed this candle in the red, and right now potentially August could be green for Solana, which is why I am looking to push at least to those levels right here. Of course, not a financial advice, always do your own research, but with how things are looking right here and consolidating, I do believe that this could break very well towards the upside very easily once things starts breaking levels. The first level that we need to flip is of course this value area low plus the monthly pivot, and then the POC at around $84 is going to be next. Hype right now is still trading below its monthly pivot and trading below this resistance into support flip, which is now back at acting as a resistance, as you can clearly see it right here. So a very key level for Hype is going to be $59, and if we can manage to get above $59 and confirm a candle close, then we are officially back in the uptrend. But as of right now, things are not looking great. Sui, same thing right here. things are not looking great. On the weekly time frame, it looks like another move down is coming very soon. But of course, this could be very well a fake out and thing could start moving up again. Same thing for XRP. Potentially, we could go all the way down to the bear market price territory. That would take us down another 37% towards the downside. So be wary of that as well. But the other altcoins like ETH, Solana, they still do have potential and hype, of course. Most of the meme coins are pretty much dead right now, you can see. BNB still also does have potential. AVE does have potential a bit. Arbitrum is dead. Tau is potentially having potential. So most of the Zcash as well for more upside, but you can see most of those other coins are completely dead right now. That's why I don't cover them at all. There is absolutely no liquidity there, no volume, nothing to be looking at. It's still just very much normal, boring bear market price action. We are still looking at Bitcoin only right now and some of the major altcoins, as I said. Now on the short term for Bitcoin, you can see the delta has not dropped lower, still going higher. Open interest is coming down a bit, but still this is still looking to me like a healthy move towards the upside with how this delta is looking. So potentially to sweep these highs at around 66k will not be out of the question. As I said, not a financial advice, but those people right here, they did have enough time to take profits on their positions. So this is why I believe this high will be swept and those positions from there, the shorts from there, will get stopped out or either liquidated. And you can see we do have liquidity still piling up above us, massive liquidity piling up above us yet again. Let me just refresh to see if we do have some updates. You can see still millions of liquidity sitting all the way up at around 65.6k. And then above it, we also do have some major liquidations. Fear and Greed Index is right now at 39. It has not changed from yesterday. Spot ETFs are continuing to see some nice inflows of around 137 million for yesterday, with BlackRock, of course, being in the lead, buying over 100 million. So this is pretty nice to see. Long versus shorts ratio right now, we do have more longs in the market, but the bigger whales on Hyperliquid are sitting short, which could cause that squeeze towards the upside to liquidate all those shorts that have been stacked up there, since, as you know, Hyperliquid does have more retail traders right now, since everybody is using it. So they could get stopped out and this could cause that squeeze towards the upside. And we also do have those news today, average hourly earnings, employment change, unemployment rate today. So those are going to be very important. Those are going to be before the New York Stock Exchange open. So this could very well bring us volatility even before market open. So be wary of that as well. And I believe this would cover it for today. Hope you liked the video and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.